Have you ever heard of drinking your way to weight loss? It might sound impossible, but with the right ingredients, you can make a delicious drink that helps boost your metabolism and burn fat more quickly. This weight loss recipe uses all natural ingredients that are easy to find in grocery stores around the world. Plus, the taste of this drink will have you coming back for more. The recipe today will use lemon, apple, and cucumber. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C, which has been shown to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. The antioxidants in lemon also help to detoxify the body, aiding in the elimination of toxins that can lead to weight gain. Research shows that drinking 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice before eating breakfast for 3 weeks resulted in significantly more weight loss than those who did not consume it. When it comes to weight loss, apples are a great fruit to incorporate into your diet. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full. Plus, they contain a compound called pectin, which has been shown to help with weight loss. Cucumbers are high in water content, which means they can help you stay hydrated. They're also low in calories, and have a high fiber content, both of which are beneficial for weight loss. Simply mix together lemon juice, apple, and cucumber. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Doing this will help boost your metabolism and aid in digestion throughout the day. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and help boost your metabolism. Apples are a good source of fiber, which helps to regulate digestion. When combined, these 3 ingredients make a refreshing and healthful drink. Plus, this recipe mix is a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals while also helping you reach your weight loss goals. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Now, let's know the best way to make this beneficial juice. Write down the ingredients. 2 cups of water. 1 green or red apple. 1 cucumber. Juice of 1 lemon freshly squeezed. Directions: cut the apple, cucumber into small pieces, and squeeze the lemon. Blend them well with the 2 cups of water, until smooth. The best way of getting all of the benefits is by drinking the juice on an empty stomach, 15 minutes before your breakfast. You can also drink it at other times. Try it and share your experience with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.